In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell gift cards on your Wix website. Selling gift cards can be a fantastic way to drive more sales and gain new customers, providing them with the flexibility to purchase your products and services at their convenience. Let's dive into the process and get you set up seamlessly on your Wix site. First, you'll need to access your site's editor. Go to your website's dashboard and look for the Edit Site button. Clicking on this will open up the Wix editor, where you can make changes and add features to your site. Once inside the editor, you'll want to head over to the App Market. Look into the sidebar menu where you should see the App Market icon. Go ahead and click that to enter the App Market. Once you're in the App Market, it's time to search for an app that allows you to add gift card functionality to your website. Simply use the search bar at the top of the page and type in gift card. The app you're specifically looking for is the Wix Gift Cards app. After you found the Wix Gift Cards app, click on it. You'll then see an option labeled Add to Site. Click this button to begin the installation process on your website. This app is the tool that will enable you to sell gift cards directly to your clients with ease. Next, return to your site's dashboard. With the app now installed, locate the section labeled Catalog and click on Gift Cards. In this section, you will see the option to add gift card to site. Selecting this will automatically insert a gift card element into your Wix site, opening the Wix editor again for further customization. It's here in the Wix editor that you can work on the appearance and settings of your gift cards. Click on the newly added gift card element. This will open a menu where you can adjust the design to match your brand's aesthetic. Customize the gift card by choosing different designs, adding images, and selecting the desired additions that will appeal to your audience. Furthermore, set both the price and value of the gift cards according to what you aim to offer. This flexibility ensures that your gift cards can meet the needs of a wide range of customers. Before you finish, double check that all configurations are as desired and hit save to apply any changes made. Once your gift cards are added and customized, your Wix website is ready to offer this new feature to your visitors. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your offering, adding gift cards can be a powerful tool in boosting sales and reaching more customers. Good luck and happy selling.